How to download Milestone Credit Card app. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To download your Milestone Credit Card application, if you are using an Android device, you can tap open your Play Store. If you are on your iOS device, open up your App Store and search for your Milestone Credit Card application. In the case of mine, since I have an Android, I'll be tap opening my Play Store. Once you are in your Play Store, tap on the search bar to search for your Milestone Credit Card mobile application. Tap on the app. Here you will see an install button. Tap on install. You need to wait until the application is installed in your device. Mind it might take a while depending upon your Wi-Fi connection. Once installed, just tap on Open. Allow the permission it asks for. To log in into your application, enter your username and your password. In the case of forgotten credential, tap on Forgot Password to retrieve or recover your password. Which brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.